Welcome to our YouTube video tutorial on installing Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Kali Linux is renowned among cybersecurity professionals for its advanced security tools. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the installation process, allowing you to harness the power of Kali's specialized IT security tools within a virtual environment. Before we jump into the installation, let's explore why Kali Linux is the choice for many. Offering specialized tools for IT security tasks, from vulnerability testing to data retrieval, Kali Linux ensures robust protection without compromising your system's integrity. Utilizing VirtualBox for this installation provides an isolated and secure environment, allowing you to explore Kali Linux's functionality without impacting your primary operating system. Before diving into the setup process, it's crucial to ensure that you have VirtualBox installed on your system, obtained directly from the official website. Additionally, make sure you've downloaded the latest Kali Linux ISO image, which will serve as the installation medium for your virtual machine, VM. Also, check if your computer's processor supports virtualization and confirm that it's enabled in the BIOS, UEFI settings. This step is essential for ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance of your virtualized environment. For best results, aim for a multi-core processor with virtualization support, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a minimum of 50 GB of available disk space. Now, let's proceed with creating your virtual machine. Launch VirtualBox and initiate the process of setting up a new VM. You'll be guided through a series of configuration steps where you'll specify various details such as the location where your VM's files will be stored, the amount of RAM to allocate to the VM, and the number of virtual processors it will utilize. These settings are pivotal for tailoring the VM's performance to your system's capabilities. Once your VM is set up, it's time to power it on within VirtualBox. Upon launching, you'll be prompted to begin the installation of Kali Linux. Follow the instructions provided by the installer, which will involve selecting your preferred language, geographical location, and keyboard layout. Additionally, you'll need to set up user credentials, such as a username and password, which will be used to log into your Kali Linux environment. Throughout the installation process, you'll encounter prompts regarding disk configuration and partitioning. Take your time to configure these options according to your preferences and requirements. Afterward, proceed with selecting the software packages you wish to install and setting up the Grub bootloader, which is necessary for booting into your newly installed Kali Linux system. Once the installation is complete, eject the virtual installation medium, the Kali Linux ISO, from the VM to avoid booting back into the installer. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux on your VirtualBox VM. Now, log into your virtual environment using the credentials you've set up and start exploring the vast array of tools and capabilities that Kali Linux offers. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we'll provide guidance on optimizing your Kali Linux setup with essential initial steps. Remember to leave your feedback and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.